Hi, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be talking about the workbook window of the Microsoft Excel workbook. So Excel files are called workbooks, and the workbook has one or more worksheets or spreadsheets. So when I open a workbook, I'm going to have a worksheet with the name sheet 1. So a worksheet is a grid of rows and columns. So the columns are designated by letters, as you can see here, and then the rows are designated by numbers as shown here. So when you select a cell, you're going to see that the name in the name box is a combination of a letter and a number. So the letter is from the column in which the cell is, and then the number is from the row in which the cell is. So to rename a worksheet, you simply have to click on the worksheet you wish to rename, and then from the worksheet menu that pops up, you select the rename option and then you type your name. Once you finish typing the new name, you press enter. Then to add another worksheet, you just have to click the plus sign here. So you can also delete a worksheet. All you have to do is right click on the worksheet you wish to delete, and then from the worksheet menu you select the delete option. Then another thing you can do is you can copy the data of one worksheet or the data in one worksheet to a different worksheet. So all you do is you right click on the worksheet which you wish to copy the data, and then you select the option move or copy from the worksheet menu that pops up. After that, you are going to see that a dialog box will appear, a move or copy dialog box will appear. So here you can either copy the worksheet before the actual worksheet, the original worksheet, or to the end of the original worksheet. So let me select, or I mean okay, it's fine. So make sure that you check the box which says create a copy, and then you select or you click OK. The next thing that I'll talk about is moving a worksheet. So when you select the worksheet you want to move, you see that there will be a down arrow at the top of the name of the worksheet. So the downward arrow will be pointing to the desired location where you want to move the worksheet. So when you click the worksheet you wish to move and begin to drag it, it's going to be pointing to the desired location. So here it's pointing to the location after the original worksheet from where we copied the current worksheet that's selected. So when you release, the worksheet is going to be moved. Another thing I'll talk about is changing the color of the tab for the worksheets for the worksheets. So all you have to do is you right click on the worksheet, then select the tab color option. After that, you're going to see that a lot of colors will appear. You just have to hover on the colors, and then you're going to see a preview of the tab where the name of the worksheet is. So you select the color, and then the color has changed. So that's all about the workbook window. Thank you.